In this example, we need to pull the employee name from the first file into the second file. The VLOOKUP formula looks for a matching value in the leftmost column and returns a value from a column you specify. First, we'll type equals VLOOKUP, then select the lookup value from your current table. This is the value you want to match to in the first file. So we'll choose the project. Type a comma, then select the table array. This is the table range of the first file. Type a comma, then specify which column you want to return by entering the column index number. The employee column is second in the table, so we'll enter the number 2 followed by a comma. Finally, the range lookup is asking us to enter true to pull an approximate match or false to pull an exact match. We'll enter false for exact match. Now if any of the values in the first file change, they'll also change in the second file.